Young though, that's do it for mine.
There's the mileage, 75,177. ECU light is on because of the lambda sensor. That's because of LPG conversion. So when you first start up the car, it will run in petrol mode until the gas warms up. So the flashing light means the LPG is warming up, and once it's warmed up it will permanently go onto G, which is gas, and that side there is petrol. You should always wait for the engine to warm up, so the oil is engine temperature, coolant is warm, and the engine oil is warm as well. The gearbox is nice and smooth, so that's overdrive on and off, and that is your gear changes: reverse, neutral, drive, and then back again. Okay, let me just open the bonnet. The bonnet pull is just underneath here. Let's pull that. We can go around and open the bonnet. Had a new radiator put in, I think about 8 months ago, so that's a new radiator there. Engine is nice and dry, no oil leaks. I'll show you the bottom of the engine as well. Show you the bottom of the engine. No oil leaks anywhere. I'll just show you what I was talking about, the alloy wheel. It's got a little bit of curb marks on there, on this side, and the other one is not too bad. This side's okay, it's not too bad, but this is probably the worst one on the front.